Good morning, y'all. Another Cat Chronicles coming at you real fast. There go one. There go two. That's three. There go four. And that fifth one then already shot out somewhere. But I told y'all, nothing new here. Every day, every single day. This is how I start my mornings. After I'm blessed with waking up, I come out and bless the cats. Now let me go bless my wife. That's right. And I think this one here is pregnant because she getting fat as hell. I definitely believe I'm going to have some kittens around this damn yard, and I didn't want that. You too. I got a feeling you pregnant too. We gonna see y'all. Cat Chronicles. I'm finna get out of here. And I'm out.